Hello traders, welcome to NeuronalTrader YouTube channel, and today in Neural Lab Bots we have a request here. Someone asks for help. He wants us to help him add a custom visual hook. As you can see, this is the request in a NeuronalTrader Bots English community. You can see here we have a request. This person asks for help. Request, please add customize visual hook. So today, my friend, I'm going to show you how you can add a customized visual hook, my friend. Okay, yeah. So the first step all you need to do is to drag and drop the bot here, or you can just use this button to upload it here. But for me, I will just drag and drop in a binarytools.io. As you can see, it's already been added here. So what I will do, you can see this is totally a full bot of binarytools.io. You can see it have a smart list settings here and everything. So all he wants is to change this visual hook from the wing to be a custom visual hook, so that he can be able to add some custom visual hook the way he likes to use in this bot. Okay, so I'm going to show you here, my friend. Very simple, very simple. So the first step you need to do, you just need to come on a visual block. Even if it is just like this, you just need to expand it just like that, and then go to a start when. You need to change it to a custom, because that person wants a custom visual hook, so you need to change to a custom. And now there is a block which you need to add it here, so that you can write some text depending on the way you want those visual hook to be. Okay, so let me show you. Just go slow, my friend, just follow me the way I do. Okay, yeah. So what are we do here? Let's go direct on advance. On advance, you need to click on a list, because we want to create a list of a visual hook to appear in order for us to trade. Okay, so the block here which you need to add, this one, say let me find it. This one, the list of text. So when the list of text appear, then the bot will trade. So I will use this block, my friend, this one. Okay, so if I put it here, simple, just like that, then on this list of text I need to come on a text in order to find the block which I can write those texts. Okay, yeah. So the very important thing here you need to know for binary tools here is this one, my friend. Let me show you. When you write a text, okay, if you write a W, a capital W, not a small w. A small w, it will not work. Okay, so you need to put a capital W. When you write a W later, this means that it's a win. Okay, it means it's a win. And if when you write a capital letter L, this here, it will mean as a loss. It will be as a loss, my friend. I hope you understand me, my friend. So now we need to add those later here. Okay, let me click here. You can come here and write those letter W. For example, I want the bot to trade a visual hook W. I want to win, and then after win, maybe it have a loss. So in order to differentiate, you need to put a comma, my friend. That is very important. A comma. This, my friend. Let me give you it here. A comma. This one. Okay, you have to put this one here. Okay, between those letters. Okay, my friend. Yeah. So for here, you can see we put W. So if you want, after 2 wins, you can put another W, just like that. So after 2 wins, the bot will start trading in the lead account. So let's test first. We can test first here to see if it works. Yeah, the first trade, the visual you can see here, and if it's a win, we know, yeah, it's a win. So let's wait for a second trade. If also it's a win, it must trade on a real account. Okay, yeah. So let's wait for another trade. Okay, we have another entry here, and also it's a win. So the next trade from these two, it will be a real account, but since I'm using demo, it will use a demo balance. That's why you see the difference number is demo. You can see after 2 wins now it's trading on a it traded the real number, as you can see. So the custom visual hook is working. So now let me show you how you can add multiple custom visual hook. Okay, so let's go back to edition, and now we want to add these multiples so we can duplicate them the more we want, just like that, my friend. And now these are texts. Since these are text, we need to add a block here to put a multiple list of text. Okay, so what we do, we can just come here on a list, and then we can take this, create a list with. Okay, we can take this one and put here. We are creating a list, and if you want to add more, you can just click on this icon and then add more as you like, my friend. So what we will do is very simple here, my friend. We just need to plug this here. Plug this here, my friend. As you can see, now we have this as a multiple custom visual hook. And this one I can just remove just like this, and you can see it disappears. Simple, just like that, my friend. This is the power of using binarytools.io. So now the next thing, you can just change the way you like. Maybe the first video, custom video, you want after a win, after 2 wins, then it will trade. Maybe the second, you can like use mini loss, then a comma, loss, then a comma, then loss. So after 3 losses, the bot will trade also. You can add also win, comma, loss. So if it have a win and then the next trade is a loss, the bot can also trade on the lead account. And also you can add maybe win, comma, comma is really important to add, my friend, in order for this to work. Okay, and capital letters, this is really important. So I add comma, and then maybe loss, then a win. Okay, we can say maybe loss, or maybe loss, win. Okay, and here we can add maybe after loss, then win, loss. We can say win, loss. When we have a win, then double loss, the bot should trade. Okay, and here when we have a maybe we say loss, win, slash, comma, loss, then the bots need to trade also in to trade the real balance. Okay, yeah, so we are done here, my friend. So what I will do, I will just create the bot, and now the bot will follow the custom visual hook just like we have added them, my friend. Very easy, very simple, my friend. Okay, so it will not follow only this one. Now it will check all of these visual hook. If one of these appear, then the bot is going to trade here the lead balance. Okay, my friend, for example, you can see this is a loss here. You can see this is a loss. Okay, it's the win also because it's trading under 9, so it's a win. So this is a pattern of this one, the first one, win. So it means here the bot, the next trade, it will trade the real balance, the real balance money here. Okay, or the real account money. If you are in the account, you can see it trade. So now it will look for any blocks here, and the bot is going to trade, my friend. Okay, yeah, okay, as you can see, why it's continue learning just like this, it's because he have added these settings. You can see negative strike 2, so it means the bot will wait until it have 2 losses, then it will continue on the video, because also win tolerance is also put 2 here, my friend. That's why this is happening. Okay, but if you put here 1 and then here you put 0, it means it will trade every time when it find that pattern. For example, if you run it again here, it will trade every time when it find this pattern, and then go back to it will go back to a visual to find another pattern. Again, it trade. Okay, yeah, so let's see. The first trade is a loss. So this is a loss, the first trade. Let's see if you have a pattern start with the loss. Yeah, we have a pattern start with the loss. So if it's a loss, win, loss, the bot is going to trade in link. But if we have a win, I think we have a win here. Okay. And the next also is a win. So these are two wins. These are two wins, which is the same pattern here. So the bot is going to trade the next trade in a real balance. Okay, my friend. Yeah. So this is it. Let's see the next trade. What will happen? You can see the bot now goes to trade the real balance. But since we have changed these settings, you will see now after this trade, the bot is going to go back to trade 𝗲𝘀𝗽𝗲𝗿, as you can see. So you can play around also with this setting here, my friend. You can put the way you like, depending the bot the way it's working. Okay. Yeah, so that's it, my friend. You can see everything works great here, and we already added the custom 𝗲𝘀𝗽𝗲𝗿. Well, my friend, I hope you understand me. See you next time. Bye bye, my friend.